Yo, I have decided to do a public service and let you know what's up with the V2 Monopod by Bushman. I'm not even going to waste your time. I'm going to tell you the pros, the cons, and at around 130 bucks, is it worth the investment? So what made me buy the Bushman Monopod in the first place? I started doing virtual tours for clients, and I was using this Manfrotto selfie stick slash monopod, and I was using that in combination with the mini tripod. And no knock on Manfrotto, they make excellent products, some of my favorite products. But if you have $1,000 Theta Z1, I don't recommend using this outside anyway. What had happened was I shot the inside of the house and everything was looking great. And then I went outside because I wanted to get a picture of the neighborhood. I put my $1,000 Theta Z1 on this tripod because I was trying to take an outside shot. The wind blew. I tried to make a mad dive for it, but I missed the target and it cracked one of my lenses on my Theta Z1. The only thing I got left of my Theta Z1 is this carrying pouch because it's in repair right now. So I decided I was not going to make that mistake again. What I like most about the Bushman Monopod is this right here. It has a 2-pound weight at the bottom. If I was using this monopod when I had that shoot, my Theta Z1 would not be in the shop right now and I'd still be in the 360 game. It has a very sturdy base. I mean, very, very sturdy. I like that. I mean, it's not easily influenced. I mean, when you set this bad boy on the ground, it's solid. It has 3 different sections that let out all the way up to 5 feet 6 inches. And it's very thin. If you're doing 360 video, you don't want the tripod getting in the shot. Overall, the build quality is pretty good. The only thing I don't like about this monopod is sometimes when I'm getting set up and I'm trying to extend this top hole, sometimes I pull it completely all the way out. It's very easy to put back, but you know, it kind of looks like, you know, you got this fancy, nice looking monopod from a nice company and you pull it out and yeah, it doesn't give you that professional feel. But it goes back in pretty easy. Could be my strength, could be a hit on me, but that's the only thing I don't like about it. If you own a Theta Z1, you need one of these. Trust me. Don't be like me. Learn from my mistake, all right? When you spend $1,000 on a 360 camera, the last thing you want to do is break it. 130 is not that bad, so yes, I highly recommend that you make the investment so you can protect your other investments, especially if you own a Theta Z1. You're gonna need one of these. I think they have a heavier weight. You might want to go ahead and get that one, but yeah, I'm waiting for mine to go ahead and get out the shop. So Rico, Precision Camera, if you're listening, I need to get my Theta Z1 lens repaired ASAP. I need to get back into the 360 game. If you have found any of this information useful, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. I got so much equipment to review. I just got the Sony AX700, which I'm using to record this video. If you would like to see a review on that, just comment below.